Whale sharks are the largest fish species in the ocean. They can grow up to 40 feet 12 meters in length and weigh up to 20 tons, 18 metric tons. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are not a threat to humans as they are docile and generally harmless. In fact, swimming with these gentle giants has become a popular tourist attraction in many parts of the world. They have large mouths that can open up to 4 feet wide, 1.2 meters, which they use to scoop up huge quantities of water. They then push the water through their gills and filter out the tiny organisms using their gill rakers. Each whale shark has a unique pattern of white spots and stripes on its dark gray or brown skin, similar to a human fingerprint. These markings are used by scientists to identify individual sharks and track their movements and behavior. The reproductive habits of whale sharks are still largely unknown. It is believed that they reach sexual maturity around 30 years of age and may live up to 100 years. Females can give birth to up to 300 live young, but the gestation period and breeding habits are not well understood. Whale sharks are known to undertake long-distance migrations, but the patterns and reasons behind these movements are still a topic of study. Some populations are known to migrate to specific feeding or breeding grounds, while others may follow ocean currents or temperature gradients. The whale shark is well liked in the few public aquariums where it is kept, but due to its enormous size, it needs a very big tank and has specific nutritional needs. The species' great size and iconic reputation have also inspired opposition to captivity, particularly in light of the early deaths of some whale sharks in the species, confinement to relatively small tanks in some Chinese aquariums. A whale shark was held for nearly 4 months in a natural bay in Izu, Japan, in 1934, marking the first attempt to keep whale sharks in captivity. Since 1980, a number have been maintained on Okinawa, the majority coming from unintentional catches in fishermen's coastal nets, none since 2009, but 2 were strandings. Several of these were already frail due to the catch or stranding, and some were released, but the survival rates of the initial captive population were dismal. Several animals have long persisted in captivity once the initial maintenance challenges had been overcome. A whale shark in Okinawa that has been kept in captivity for more than 26 years as of 2021 holds the record. The whale shark does not endanger people despite its size. Whale sharks are calm fish that occasionally let swimmers ride on their backs, though shark biologists and conservationists discourage this activity since it disturbs the sharks. Whale sharks that are younger can play with divers and are kind. Following the Philippines in 1998, India in May 2001, and Taiwan in May 2007, all commercial whale shark fishing, selling, importing, and exporting was outlawed. Whale sharks are known as MARAWI in Madagascar, which translates to many stars, due to the appearance of the markings on the shark's back. It is referred to as Batanding and Balilan in the Philippines. The reverse of the Philippine Isandaang peso bill features a whale shark. By law, snorkelers must keep a distance of 4 feet, 1.2 meters, from the sharks, and anyone found touching the creature faces a fine and/or jail time. Together with the green turtle, the whale shark is also shown on the most recent 2015 hanggang 2017 Maldives ₱1,000 currency. Only we humans make waste that nature can't digest. I hope for your help to explore and protect the wild ocean in ways that will restore the health and, in so doing, secure hope for humankind. Health to the ocean means health for us. No water, no life.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so...
What can you say about this video? Please comment below and don't forget to subscribe GamerBoys Trivia TV and hit notification bell for more updated videos. Thanks for watching.